Hello all my dear students, how are you all? This is Rohan sir from Mahdi English Medium School. I welcome all my dear third standard students once again in today's science lecture. My dear little champs, how have you been? I hope that you all are good, you all are fine, and I also hope that you are taking the precautions, wearing the masks and using the sanitizer. All these things are very much important. Wearing the mask will protect you from entering any germs through your nose and your mouth, and using the sanitizer or washing your hand will keep away your body from the germs. So please make sure you all take these precautions. As this is a science lecture, I am very much fortunate to give you these instructions, and I hope that you will be following it. My dear little champs, now if you were watching all the lectures regularly, you might be knowing that our previous lecture was of class test lecture, which was of chapter 8, birds. And I know that you have submitted your test answers to your follow-up teachers. I will be collecting it soon, and I hope that you have written every single detail when you were sending the photos. That means name, standard, roll number, everything should be clearly mentioned. Also, your answers should be written in the legible writing, so that when I want to evaluate it from my phone, it will become easy for me to read it. So please make sure wherever you feel you should leave one line, you should do that. Wherever you feel you should write with a bit bigger handwriting, you should do that. So now you might be wondering what will be there in today's lecture. So first of all, let us start our day with a beautiful thought given by Bhojani Narjis. So thought of the day is, words are like keys. If you choose them right, they can open any heart and shut any mouth. So it is well said by Bhojani Narjis. I really appreciate you for sending me such a beautiful, meaningful thought. She says that words can do anything in the life which our hands cannot do. People start fighting nowadays and become angry and this and that, but no. Everything can be tackled using your mouth, using your words at the right moment on the right place. So a beautiful thought given by you. I really appreciate Bhojani Narjis that you took a time for us and you sent the thought. I am looking forward for your other friends to send me the thoughts, so that I can even mention their names on the screen and I can appreciate them for their thoughts. So my dear students, now what are we going to do today? You must be thinking about that. So we are going to do the revision test of chapter 9, our body. So my dear students, please be ready only and only with your rough notebooks. You need not have to take out anything else, just a pencil, sharpener and rubber, whatever is necessary, stationery thing, and your rough book. That's it. So these are the stuff you will need for today's test session. After this session, I am thinking to bring a kind of game. You will be able to play it, and I am thinking to prepare the board lecture which I was sending you previously. But for that, I think I need your responses. So I hope that you will be appearing for all the revision test, and you will be sending it to me soon. My dear little champs, please give the heading revision test of chapter 9 in the rough book. Quickly listen to me and obey the instructions given here. Give the heading revision test of chapter 9. Also, do not forget to write today's date. See, I never mentioned the date in the lecture because I do not know when you will get my recorded lecture. That is the reason why I always ask you to write today's date. Now when you are watching the lecture, that particular day, on that day you have to write that date. So I hope that you have written the heading, you have given the heading revision test of chapter 9. This is just a class test, kind of revision test. You don't have to worry about. Again, the same format we will be following. Which format? You all are very smart, you must be knowing that the format is you will have to just write the question, heading and answer number properly. So my dear students, are you all ready? Do you all want to give the test? And I hope that you are enjoying the test also. Okay, so let's get started. I am going to display a few questions. Again, for each question after I will read, I will give you 5 to 6 seconds, depends on how long you will have to think. So my dear students, now if you have given the heading test and all these details which you had to write on your header part, then on the first line of the page, please give the heading question A. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Please write the heading as it is given here on the screen. Question A, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Like I said, do not keep your fair book or textbook with you. Be loyal to your studies and to yourself. Okay, I hope that you have given the heading question A, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Here, as you can see in front of you on the screen, 5 questions are there, and along with that options are also there. It is not going to be hard. We have already solved this all things including the worksheets. So if you have watched those videos, like I said that you should watch all the videos, it will be helpful to you. So if you have watched those videos, these are just a piece of cake for you to solve it. Okay, let's get started now. Please write answer number properly. Please do not write the questions, just write the answers. Also don't write the options, nothing, you just have to write the answer, that's it. And if so, if you can see here 2 blanks are there. So you can write answer of this blank, put comma and this blank. This is how you will write in your rough notebook. I hope this format is very much clear in your mind. Let's get started. Number 1. A tissue is made up of dash kind of dash. A tissue is made up of dash, options are one or many. Kind of, options are cells or organs. Your 6-second time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, I hope that you have written the answer for both the blanks. Options were clearly given, so there is no issue regarding spellings or anything else. Now number 2. The arm muscles dash to move the arm up and down. Options are shorten or shorten and lengthen. The arm muscles dash, options are shorten or shorten and lengthen to move the arm up and down. Think about the words I am emphasizing on. The way I am reading is also very much important, otherwise I would not have read it again. Okay, I hope that you are writing the answer. I will give you 5 seconds for this answer. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, moving on towards the next question, number 3. The air we breathe out is called dash. Air. Options are inhaled or exhaled. Okay, the air we breathe out is called dash. Options are inhaled or exhaled air. Your 5 seconds time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I hope that you have written the answers. Please make sure, try not to keep any blank or any answer empty. Even if you don't know, try anyone, because options are given. You have to select only from the options, no more than it. Number 4. The dash connects all nerves of the body to the brain. Options are spine or spinal cord. The dash, options are spine or spinal cord, connects all the nerves of the body to the brain. I'll count 5. Please write the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now moving on to the last blank of this question A. Number 5. The dash system cleans our body by throwing out body wastes. Options are excretory or respiratory. The dash, options are excretory or respiratory system cleans our body by throwing out body wastes. Your 5 seconds time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. I hope that you have finished writing the answer for all these 5 blanks. Actually it is not 5, actually it is 6 blanks, because for the first blank 2 answers are there. But anyways, you had to give the number as it is, so no changes are there. I hope that you have written like this: answer 1 and then the answer, answer 2 and then the answer. This way you had to write. So just check it. So with this we have completed 5 blanks of question A. Now students, please give the heading question B. Choose the correct option. Please give the heading question B, choose the correct option. As it is written, you will have to write down. Now here you might be having the questions. Sir, do we have to write the options? No. You don't have to write the questions, nor do you have to write the option. You just have to write the answer number and the correct answer, whichever you feel is right for the question. I hope I am making sense to you. Okay, so I hope that you have given the heading now. Question B, choose the correct option. So let's get started. Number 1, which of the following is made up of different tissues? Which of the following is made up of different tissues? Options are A, cells, B, organs, C, organ system, or is it D, tissues? I'll count 5, till then you will have to select correct answer and write it down in your book. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I hope that you have selected the correct option and written it in your books by writing proper answer number also. Now number 2. Which of these refers to the skeletal system? Which of these refers to the skeletal system? A, it gives form and shape to the body. B, it protects the soft inner parts. C, it is made up of bones and joints, or is it D, all of these? Your 5-second time starts now. Please select the correct option and write it down. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I'll count 3 more because here the options are bigger, lengthier in the size. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now moving on to the next question 3. Which of the following organ systems help change our body into substances that our body can use? I'll repeat the question. Which of the following organ systems help change our body into substances that our body can use? Options are A, digestive, B, respiratory, C, nervous, or is it D, circulatory? I'll count 5. Please write the answers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I hope you have guessed the correct system. Let's see when I will display the answers after this lecture. Maybe in the next or next to next lecture you will have to check it. Okay. Number 4. Which of these organs absorbs what is needed from the body? Which of these organs absorbs what is needed from the body? Options are A. Food pipe, B. Intestines, C. Stomach, or is it D. Anus? Again I am going to count 5. Please write the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I hope that you have written the answers. Great. Number 5. Which of these organs expands and becomes big when filled with air? Which of these organs expands and becomes big when filled with air? Options are A. Nose, B. Lungs, C. Windpipe, or is it D. Bones? I hope that you have started choosing the correct option. Your 5-second time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Number 6. Which part connects all the nerves of the body to the brain? Which parts connects all nerves of the body to the brain? Options are A. Spinal cord, B. Lungs, C. Brain, or is it D. Intestines? Again I am going to count 5. Please select the correct option. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, that's it. And I hope students you are not writing the answers after I finish my counting, because if you will break the rule, see, you only will not be able to enjoy this test lectures. If you will follow the instruction, the format I have prepared is such that you will really enjoy. Okay, number 7. Which of the following organs is not a part of circulatory system? Which of the following organs is not a part of circulatory system? Options are A. Heart, B. Brain, C. Blood, or is it D. Blood vessels? Okay, I am going to count 5. Please finish writing the answers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now students, the last MCQ question, number 8. Which of these organ systems helps in producing babies? Which of these organ systems helps in producing babies? Options are A. Excretory, B. Digestive, C. Reproductive, or is it D. Nervous? Okay, I am going to count 5. Please quickly write the answers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So my dear students, with this our MCQ session of 8 questions are over here. So we have completed question A and question B. Now for today the last question. So please be ready. Give the heading question A on the new page. Yes, question A and B of main question 1 is over. This is main question 2. but don't create any kind of mess. Please just turn the page and give the heading question A. So also you have to write, give one word for the following. Give one word for the following. This has also to be written in your book. Question A, give one word for the following, because previously question A was fill in the blanks. If you can observe in your book, this question A is for give one word. So for today question B we are not going to do. Today we are only going to do this question A for the test. So I hope you all are ready. Please give the heading properly. And for each you will again get 5 seconds. Question B we are not doing. Why? It is give 2 examples. Now like I said, you can give any 2 example of your choice. I can choose any example of my choice. So that is not the matter which we should take in the test. So give one word. I have decided to take it now. I hope you all are ready. Okay, number 1. Please do write the answer numbers properly and then the answer. Number 1. The building blocks of the body dash. The building blocks of the body dash. Please try to understand the question and then choose the answer. Your 5 counts starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I hope you have written the answer. And students, here also you don't have to write the question. You just have to write the question A heading, answer 1, and then directly the answer you have to write. And try to be loyal to yourself. Don't try to take the help of anyone, not even of the textbook. If you don't know, it is okay. Even if you will get 0 marks, now it is okay, because I will see how much loyal you are. You have 0 marks, okay, you are loyal, so you can learn further. If you are not loyal to yourself, you cannot learn anything. This is what my opinion is. Anyways, number 2. A living being made up of different organ systems. A living being made up of different organ systems. Please make sure you do not make even the spelling mistake. Otherwise, your answer, we can deduct your marks. This is answer in one word. So whatever marks you will get, you will get only for this one word answer. Now even if you make the mistake in that one word, we can deduct your marks. Okay, your count starts now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sorry, and 5. Okay. So moving on to number 3. The organ that gives order to the different parts of the body. The organ that gives the orders to the different parts of the body. I hope you understood where I emphasized. Okay, your count starts now. Think about the answer and please make sure you do not make any spelling mistakes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I hope that you have written the answer, and I also hope that you have followed each and every instruction, leaving one line. Now the last question for question A and also for this test, number 4. Thin tubes through which blood flows. Observe the sentence very carefully. Thin tubes through which blood flows. Even if you have general knowledge, you will get the answer of this. Anyways, I cannot give you the hint. This is the test. Your count starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, keep your pencils down on the spot. Do not touch your book, neither your book nor the pencil. keep it as it is. So students, this was your class test. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as you enjoyed in the previous lecture. I will try my level best to take your test and revision work in the way that you will enjoy as you are doing in your live class when you are coming to school. But the choice lastly is always yours, how you obey the instructions. Like I mean to say is, the more you obey the instructions, the more you will enjoy the lecture. So students, this is the end of today's session. I hope that you will just keep loyalty and you will send your work to the follow-up teachers. So thank you for watching this lecture and giving the test, appearing for the test. Keep sending your work to the follow-up teachers and keep sending new thoughts to me so I can display it daily in the beginning of the lecture. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care.